Hi guys, it's Vicky and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am by my bookcase because we are doing my very first like proper debut of books. I'm rambling, but I'm going to do my first ever reading vlog, and in today's video we're going to read none other by Verity by Miss Colleen Hoover. I love her work. To do my first ever reading vlog be this book because like the comments or reviews I've heard straight up amazing, or it might put you in a slump. It's disturbing, but I stayed up all night reading this. I'm a slow reader, but I read this in one sitting, and I am a slow reader. I read my last book in 5 days, but normally it takes me like a couple of days. But this is why I kind of put off doing a reading vlog, because I know I'm gonna have to. Very excited. And I also got this book, is very special to me. I got it from Manchester for free using my Waterstones points. Use the points, girlies. If you guys want to see a reading vlog, definitely make sure to like, subscribe for the down below, notifications, and let's get to this video. But we're going to start this. The date is currently Saturday the 9th of April, and I'm hoping to finish this maybe by Monday, Tuesday the latest. That's been a bit, you know, extravagant, but here we are. And after Verity I would have read both of Miss Colleen Hoover's thrillers, because I read this in February. Yeah, I read Layla in February. I loved it. I gave it 3.5 stars, but it was good. Like, look how much I tapped it. It was good, and I loved it even more, I think, because of how floppy it is. I'm gonna get the vibe straight and then we could start reading the first chapter. The first line is literally giving very much this.
What happened to hello? How are you? My name is.
Line is, hear the crack of his skull before the splattering of blood reaches me. What? Really? Okay, this is already way more darker than Layla, but I'm gonna read the first chapter and then I'll update you guys. Just finished chapter 1 today. I've got to say, I'm kind of going to this knowing what happens is in the synopsis, like, but I didn't really go into it blind, which I've realised in the past it's kind of bad. But anyway, the first chapter is already kind of going to be about Verity, which is the main character, but it's actually about Lowen, which the writer, which comes into the house to help you know, finish Verity's book and everything. I thought it was going to be about Verity, just natural instincts. I thought it was, and it wasn't, but I like it so far. Like, I'm hooked. Like, I wanted to put down to like get up and get water, but I'm hooked. Like, I don't want to get it down. And also Lowen kind of gives me vibes like Monique. If you guys have read 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. But that is a quick little first thought so far. Like, I'm excited to read this. Hi guys, so it is Monday the 11th of April. Sorry I didn't like update the reading vlog yesterday. It's because on Sundays I kind of, for reading, and more time for reading the Bible and getting in the word, because it was a little bit distracting, and as much as I love reading, don't want to get it in the way. But it is Monday now. I just finished chapter 2. Not much has happened. I've realised it isn't Verity, it's Lowen, which is the writer writing for Verity, not spoilers. It's getting good, but again, Colleen Hoover, this book is already creepier than Layla and the last books I've read of her. Like, it literally said, I had a boyfriend in my early 20s named Amos who liked being choked. It's why we broke up, because I refused to choke him. What? So creepy. Coming from Colleen Hoover, weird. But anyway, I think I'm gonna try and get through maybe half of the book. Definitely get to page 100, because that's like a milestone for me. Then it feels really easy to read the book, even if it's terrible. Hi guys, a little update, not a spoiler. I am on page 60 now, and it's finally getting interesting, because it's finally kind of getting to the bit where she's in Verity's office. From TikTok, it's either team manuscript or team letter. I don't know what that means yet. So I know it's finally getting interesting, but it's been really easy. It's Colleen Hoover. I don't really find her books hard to read. So guys, 90 pages in one sitting. I didn't even read it ends with a sort of ugly love, but the sex scenes in this book, like, she goes really graphic. Like, please, I would say even 18 plus, really, 16 the minimum. No one younger than that should be reading this book. Like, but anyway, the last sentence before chapter 6 was, but there is no light where we're going. This is your final warning, darkness ahead. I'm scared. Like, I know it's to do with the children because it's hinted, it's not spoiler. You find out very quickly about, like, her children and stuff, because gripping, like, I want to keep reading, but then my eyes are going because I'm tired and it's that time of the month. But this is really good. Oh, I'm even glowing. but the sex scenes, like, they're not, no, it ends with this ugly love. Like, she's really going in deep. Like, this book, like, vividly in my head, I'm imagining. So guys, same day, time is currently 3:05, and I've read, I don't know if you can see, but I've read, like, not halfway yet, but I've read, like, what page, man, 118 pages in one sitting. That is the fastest, like I said, I've read. Like, this book has literal crack in it. But Verity, come on now, come on, calm down, just calm down. All I'm gonna say is Verity, baby, engaged, just calm down. If you get the references, just let me know, but just calm down, come on. I'm gonna read more because I just want to keep on going, but I think I'm gonna get, like, a drink and eat some food first because I'm starving. But, like, in terms of non-spoiler updates, there isn't much. Like, we're still fast forwarding between Lowen and then Verity. Intriguing, so I can see why people raved about it, because when I read the first, like, the first 10 pages, I was thinking, am I gonna like this? Like, the people really talking about this, people of the hating game, and I don't see the hype. Hi guys, time is currently 8:11. As you can see, I'm ready for bed. Just came back from karate, but I am on page 200 now, which means this book, it's got me in a chokehold. I'm literally finishing this tonight, I've decided, because I said if I get to page 200, I'm finishing this tonight. Okay, the light is better, so yeah, I'm finishing it tonight, and I've got up to page 200, and it's so close. It's not a spoiler because it says on the back, but the writer Lowen obviously gets employed by Verity's husband to finish off her series, and they're getting a bit of romance, and he just said something so cute to her, and it's such a good book. I'm loving it now, so I'm gonna try and finish this off tonight, and then I'll update you guys. Guys, page 2160. I think it's going to end awkwardly what happened, because I think it's pretty much a spoiler, but if you guys are good at guessing things, it's pretty predictable, but took them long enough. Hi guys, it's the next day. It is Tuesday the 12th of April, and I've got 22 pages left of this. We're going to do it today, and then we can give you guys a full review, because I look better than when I did yesterday. But the plot twist, oh, okay, oh. I've finished it, 314 pages in basically like 2 days. Now I'm gonna give my spoiler-free review. 5 stars. Love this book. I now finally get the whole manuscript and letter. I am team manuscript. Like, I just think the letter was a bit of a but anyway, yeah, 5 stars. Definitely recommend. It was worth all of my Waterstones points. And it is amazing, like, this book. But honestly, yesterday I got to like 22 pages left yesterday before I went to bed. I kept on looking back at me like I was kind of freaked out. So don't read, and it was literally 8 o'clock. Like, freaked out by reading this, so don't recommend reading this like alone at dark or 8 o'clock at night. But this is like so good. But I'm freaked out. I would say I prefer Layla, because this one really freaks me out, and I'm not used to that really intense thrillers yet, but maybe when I get used to them I think I'll prefer Verity. But I prefer Layla because this one just freaked me out too much. But anyway, now is the spoiler segment, so click off like now. And if you guys haven't read the book yet and you're clicking off, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe. But now I'm going to the spoiler version. Okay guys, for the spoiler, we're acting like it's my private story. What the hell? So Jeremy killed her. Well, yeah, he did. And then he bashed her head, so she wasn't crazy. She wasn't the one that drove the car. He did. I thought he was the good guy. But yeah, I'm team manuscript, because I feel the letter is like, oh, she got caught, so she's writing a letter. But I think her favourite was definitely Crew, if she still wanted to run away with him. But Really, Jeremy? And the fact that she saw them, I like Lowen as well, and I don't think she's in a too bad situation. Like, she can't help what she feels, and she's a smart girl as well. But what the hell was this book? I now understood the cover, Harper, but this book freaked me out. But Team Manuscript, comment down below which team you are. Bonjour tout le monde, editing Vic here. Also, I was talking to my friend about this. I don't think anyone in that book was sane. Like, anyone, like even Lowen, like Crew, the one that he got the knife and put it up there, and he was like, Mommy said I shouldn't play with her knife. Why has your mom got a knife? But the fact that when she said she heard them and the biting of the headboard, crazy. And the fact that I think the letter is also fake is because when you locked Jeremy in, you could have run, but you didn't. So, and she wrote the letter after she saw Lowen reading the manuscript, not Jeremy. And I'm sure he didn't know the whole time. He's pretty stupid, but he's cute and fair. And that is it for my first ever reading vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this book, and hopefully we'll be doing more reading vlogs. And if you haven't bought this and read this yet, read it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe, post down below, turn notifications, and I'll see you guys next week.